Question of perpetuity paying 1. Okay, so what is the PV? 1 over I is the PV, right? So perpetuity pays 1 at the beginning of each 6 months period, PV of 20. Another pays X at the beginning of every 2 years period, same I, the two PVs are equal, we have to find X. Right, this is a very important question of perpetuity that is expected in the exam, so kindly pay attention to this. Okay, so how we would be solving this? PV of first perpetuity that you are saying, that is 2. Why 2? Because how we find PV? Right, PV is simply found by the amount that is X. Okay, the amount that is X, that is 2 in this case, being multiplied with 1 over I, and we have done this over here and we are getting 2, and I can be written as, it is in fact in the form of discount, so it is D2. 2 by 2 because it is twice 6 months period. Perpetuity of second, this is the key the examiner has been asking in the past exams, and this is where most of the students are unable to answer. It says something that is, it says another pays X at beginning of every 2 years, same I, right? So the effective rate is same, so beginning of 2 years, so I am saying okay, first you are getting the same payment, no V, no V is involved, V means like no PV, then X V square, then we would be getting X V4, and it would continue. This is the perpetuity, so we will be using the formula A upon 1 minus R, sum of geometric progression, infinite, right? What is A? A is X, 1 minus R, R is the ratio. What is the ratio? Ratio is V square. This is the part that will be asked in tomorrow's exams perhaps, and this is where most of the students would be unable to answer. So please pay attention to this. Okay, so I am getting a value 1 minus V square of is equals to 20. Why 20? Because the two PVs are equal. Then D2 is equals to 2 into 1 minus D power half, and we would be solving this further and getting a value, okay, 1 minus half. So what we will be doing, we will be writing it down, 2 into 1 minus V power half is equals to 20, and this would come down, so it would be and we would be writing it down. If we look at it, a previous example, first is this, so 2 upon D20, it is basically equals to D2, 1 upon 1 minus V half is equals to 20. Now 1 minus V power half is equals to 0.05, V half is equals to 0.95, and we can find V easily, that is coming 0.9025. What is V? V is equals to 1 over 1 plus I, that is the V, right? You guys are aware of it. So since X is equals to 20 into 1 minus V square, X is equals to 20 into 1 minus 0.9025 square, that is equals to 3.71. Hope you guys have understood this.